this is operators and expressions. Okay, let me see what is an operator. An operator is a symbol that tells the computer to perform either mathematical or logical task. By using these operators, and actually an operator is a symbol, by using that symbol you can perform mathematical calculations or logical calculations. Then what do you mean by logical calculations? Let us see. You will say you are passed in 10th class. Then how you can justify that? ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು 10ನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ, PUC ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ? Based on in every subject you have to secure more than 35 marks. So that is a logical, right? You have to compare, right? Those things are a certain logical task. You are performing these by using these operators. In C, there are 8 categories of operators. They are, I hope it is visible, right? Yes, they are arithmetic operators, assignment operators, relational operators, okay, logical operators, bitwise operators. What is a bit? Bit means binary digit, either 0 or 1. Next, increment and decrement operators, conditional operators, and so bitwise operators are repeated, don't need it. Okay, special operators 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is also very important question. For 2 marks sometimes it asks arithmetic operators or a combination of operators, so you just go through it. Okay, so there are 8 kinds of operators available in C for doing your mathematical and logical calculations. First, arithmetic operator. If symbol plus, minus, star is for multiplication, y is for division, your percentile for remainder. If you use this division, you are getting quotient value. If you use percentile value, you are getting remainder. We will say what is the quotient and what is remainder. A logical operator, the symbols are used for logical operator is double ampersand symbol, and is a double symbol, and it is negation symbol. Logical operators. Okay, and relational operators, you are seeing less than symbol, greater than symbol, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to. Relational operators. Next, assignment operators. Equal to, so you have assigned values. You know, assigning the value side by using the equal to operator. If you are using the equal to operator means you are comparing. If you are using the single equal means you are assigning. Plus equal to, minus equal to, multiplication equal to, by equal to, percentile equal to. Okay, let me discuss them briefly in coming slides, coming pages. Okay, next one is increment and decrement operator. Here double plus symbol is there and a double symbol is there. Is also called as unary operator. Arithmetic operator is also called as binary operator. We will tell you what is. Next one is bitwise operator. Here the single ampersand symbol is there, single pipe symbol there, single exclusive are there, double less than symbol, double greater than symbol or exist, and complement. This is a complement symbol. By using this, we can perform the conditional operator is there, question mark followed by the colon. We will explain this conditional operator. And the special operator is comma operator and size of operator. This will be asked in your 2 marks, either from second unit, either from first unit or from the final unit. Okay, so that is why this is a very important question. Now let's see the operator. So this operator is called as binary operators. Why it is called binary? It works on 2 variables. Okay, so that is why it is called as binary operators. By using these arithmetical operators, we can perform mathematical operations. That is arithmetical operations. These operators operate on 2 operators. That is why it is called as binary operator. These all operators can work with only built-in data types, that is int, float, char, double, etc. These arithmetic operators works on built-in data types. You can work with integer data type, float data type, char data type, as well as double data type, etc. Now let us see an addition operator. In addition operator, we are having one is unary plus and other one is binary plus. Let us see what is an unary plus and what is a binary plus. Okay, unary plus only works with only one operand. This unary plus is works with only one operand. For example, a equal to plus b or a equal to plus 20. Whenever you use like this, here a and b are two variables and it is simply known as operands. Variable is also called as an operand, and 20 is a constant. Another format is binary plus. Okay, what does it mean? You are storing the value. Okay, if you are using a is equal to b plus c, then you are performing a is equal to 20 plus 30. So you are adding the left hand variable to the right hand, and the result will be stored in the left hand. Okay, the value of left hand is adding to the right hand, and the entire result will be stored on left hand, that is a. In the same wise, we are having subtraction operator. By using subtraction, we are subtracting. By using multiplication, your multiplication can be represented by using star. Okay, by using star, you can multiply your calculations. Next, we are using the division operator. By using this division operator, you can perform division and you are getting the result as quotient. For example, a is equal to 6 by 3. If I divided 3 of 6, then what I am getting the result? Yes, what is the quotient? That is 3, 2. 2 is the quotient. Okay. And how we are doing this? For example, we are using, let me check whether it is exist or not. Insert symbols, mathematical equation. Use a symbol. No. I will enter one new. Let me check. Insert equation. That is how to write an equation. Okay. System is very slow, so you have to till to loading. Yes, it is loaded. Let me check. Six by 3 equal to. So if I write 6 by 3, what I am getting? 6 by 3 equal to 3, 2. The result is I am getting 2. Okay. So this 2 is called as quotient. So you are identifying the quotient value. Suppose if I write 6 percentile 2. In the same sense, I am going insert equation. I am writing 6 percentile 2 equal to, then what I am getting, remainder is 0. Okay, 2 3 is 6, so 3 is a quotient, and what is the remainder I am getting? 0. So that is the main difference in your operator, this division operator. This division operator, whenever you are using this forward slash, you are getting the result as, what is the result for this? The result is 6 by 3 is 2, right? 3 2 is 6, right? Got it? Yes. If I use modulo operator, this percentage is also called as the division operator for the remainder. So if you are using this percentage 6 percentage 4, then you are getting the answer 6 percentile 4. You are getting the remainder as 2. Okay. So what is the remainder you are getting? 2. That is the modulo operator. Got it? If you did the 7.8 percentile 4, it will give compilation error. You can't process like this because it is a float value, it is a integer value. In your C programming, it is not possible. Okay. You have to process either integer value by integer value or float by float, but float operation is not possible for these operations. Okay. Now here it is an integer arithmetics. Let us see some example. 5 plus 6. What is the value? 11. 34 minus 3 subtraction I am doing, then it is 31. 3 into 3, 9. 4 by 2, it is 2 quotient, right? 9 by 5 quotient. What is the quotient? 1. Why? 5 ones are 5, remainder 4. Okay, 8 percentile 5, remainder is 3. Got it? Likewise, you can do arithmetical operations. Here one example is given. By using this program, you can able to identify arithmetic to convert a given number of days into months, and if I enter the number of days, I have to find how many months and how many days will remain. Okay, got it? For example, in 365 days, if I enter the 365 days, how many months and how many days will exist? Convert the given number. Okay, this given number will give number of months and number of days. Let me try this program in our editor. Shall we try? Yes. Okay. Yes. First, you understand this, what they have done here. In 10, for example, instead of I'm typing, I'm showing you, I'm copying this. I'm opening my notepad. Okay. I'm pasting here and I'm modifying little void main. I can show like also this. Okay, so here what we have to add, you just tell me. Hash include conio.h. Yes, hash include conio.h. Next, you are writing the main function. After the main function, what you have to do? CLR SCR. Okay, so here we are displaying one output statement, enter the days. So it is an integer variable, that is why we have to read it from the keyboard. Whenever I am running my program, I am taking like this. Afterwards, I have to calculate the months. N divided by 30. Afterwards, so why I am doing the division? If I want to calculate the months, I have to use quotient value, right? For that, we have to divide 30. For how many days exist for a month? 30 days. Sorry, how many days exist per month? 30. So remainder, to calculate the remainder, we are going to be using this percentile for days, and the number of months also 30. Okay, yes. Afterwards, I'm going to saving this file. Please observe here, I'm saving where I am saving. You have to notify this. Okay, so here C drive is exist. This is my C drive. Okay, in this C drive, Turbo C4 is a folder. Turbo C4 is the folder. Here the TC folder is exist. Here the bin folder is exist. Please make a note. Okay, once again I will tell you. Here you have to save this file. Okay, where to save? Go to the file, save, check your C drive. This is a C drive. Here it consists of a TCR Turbo C4. Please make a note. In your system it consists of a TCR Turbo C4. If Turbo C4 is opens, if you observe different folders, then open the TC folder. In the TC folder we are having various folders. In this you just open the bin folder. Okay, in bin folder you have to save it as days, because it is a days program, right? Days.c. I'm entering. Got it? Now I'm minimizing this and also minimizing this. We don't want this. I'm closing this. Okay, now I'm opening my editor. Let me show the desktop. Yes, this is our editor, right? I'm opening. What is the name we have provided for my days.c. Okay, please keep in this mind. It is loading. Let it be loaded. It is days.c. Okay, yes, so that is your integer calculations. Now it comes to the real arithmetic. Real arithmetic means you can do in floating points addition, subtraction also. It is for this we are using this program, addition of two numbers. Already we have done. You are very familiar with that. Okay, printf. So addition of two numbers, subtraction of two numbers, multiplication of two numbers, division of two numbers. Here the sample program is exist. You just do that. I will explain first program, addition of two numbers. For this I have declared here hash include stdio.h, conio.h, void main. We should be small. Okay, don't think here num1 num2 int result we have taken, already we have done. After the variable declaration you have to give the CLR SSCR. Please make a note. Okay, what you have to do? CLR SSCR. Now you are displaying one output statement, enter number 1. If you are using the scanf means it is an interactive method. Okay, %d ampersand you are storing in the num1 variable, and one more output statement you are writing and you are reading the value and storing in the num2. You are processing now result num1 plus num2. Now you are displaying the result within a one single line, that is the sum of a %d and %d is %d. So why here it is a 3? Here we are displaying the sum of num1 and num2 is result. Okay, so likewise it will be displayed. Okay, enter the numbers. I am entering the two numbers. Enter the number 1 as 20, 10 and 20 and 30. The result is 50. Likewise you can do subtraction, multiplication, division and mod. Okay, modulo. So like you can do that as an operator. Let me open. Still it is not responding. Wow, great. My system is very slow. Okay, let me close. We know what is the name of the file. Let it be open. Okay, once it is open I will explain. Without wasting our time, we will move to the next operator. So by using this arithmetic operator you can do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulo. Okay, next our operator is assignment operator. By using this assignment operator you can assign some values to a variable. Okay, this is the purpose of assignment operator, to assign some value to a variables. Okay, then how we are representing this assignment operator? Plus equal to, minus equal to, multiply equal to, by equal to, division equal to, modulo equal to. Then how we are representing. Here an example is there, a plus equal to b. Then what does it mean? It is similar to a is equal to a plus b. Means left hand variable will be added to the right hand and the result will be the left hand. Okay, it is similar to like that. Now tell me how to write this. A minus equal to b means b equal to a minus b. Okay, clear? Got it? Subtract b from a and stores the result in a. That is the thing. The value of left hand will be added to the right and the result will be stored in the left. The value of left hand will be subtracted from right and result will be stored in left. Okay, so it is multiplication. Then how to represent this is to me a equal to a into b. Got it? Now how to write equal to? Yes, a by equal to b. Actually here it is made a mistake. Here a by equal to b. Okay, now to represent this, a equal to a by b. Got it? How to tell? So a is equal to a percentile b. Okay, so these are then what is the purpose of assignment operator? To assign the value to variables. Okay, so here sample example is given. Just include stdio.h, include conio.h. I am declaring it is a sample program just for understanding purpose. Okay, now a comma b comma c comma d comma x is taken. Afterwards clear screen. A plus equal to x. What does it mean? A is equal to a plus x. Got it? Yes. For example, let us see understanding purpose. I'm assigning a is equal to 10, semicolon b is equal to 20, semicolon c is equal to 30, semicolon d is equal to 40, semicolon x is equal to 50. Okay, now you just tell me what does it mean? A plus equal to x. Then what happens? A is equal to a plus x. Got it? That means a is equal to 10 plus 50. That means it displays 60. If you display the a, then what happens? It will give 60. Clear? Yes. Now b minus equal to x. Then what does it mean? B is equal to b minus x. What is the value of b? 20. What is the value of x? 50. 20 minus 50 minus 30. If you display this, the value of b becomes minus 30. Okay. C equal to x. What is the value? 30. What is the x value? 50. Then what does it mean? C is equal to c into x. Then 30 into 5, 1500. Right. Got it? 15 to 30. 35 is a 150. 150 into 10. Sorry, 150 into 100. 1500. Got it? So it will give 1500. Now d by equal to x. What does it mean? D is equal to d by x. What is the value of d? 40. 40 by 50. Here you have to understand the concept. It will print the value as 0. Why? Please observe, in our mathematics we know if numerator value d, what is the value? 40. 40 by 50. 40 is the numerator, denominator is 50, right? If numerator value is less than the denominator value, then in by it will give as a value 0. Okay, got it? Clear? Suppose if it is a percentile, then it will print 1. What as it will print? 1. Got it? Clear? Numerator by denominator is directly not possible here, but in general mathematics it is possible. But in the case of C programming, if the numerator value is less than the denominator value, then its value is 0. Okay? Whether it is open? Why it is not open? Anyway, I will explain later. We don't want to waste our time. Okay? Yes. So hope you have understand this assignment operator. Is there any doubts? You just ask me in a group. Okay? Next, relational operator. This relational operator is also called as comparison operator. Why it is called comparison operator? But because it compares the two values. It compares two statements. Okay? Based on the statements, it evaluates the given expression. Here the expression means an equation. Okay, it may be the condition. Expression means a condition, an equation, or anything. Evaluates means execution, to made run. If the expression is true based on condition, it evaluates whether the given expression, given condition is true or false. If the result is true, then it will returns 1. If the result is false, then it will returns 0. That is why it is called as comparison operator. This comparison operator is also called as operators. For example, you and your brother or you or your sister is having some mates. Then we are comparing, right? How we are comparing? By placing you side by side. Then we will identify who is taller, who is smaller, right? If you are the taller, then we will tell you you are the taller. If she is the taller, we will tell you she is the taller. Got it? Likewise, we are doing the comparison, right? So whenever you are achieving the marks is also we are comparing. If one scores highest marks, then he is a first ranker. Then how we are comparing? We are comparing his mark with other marks, right? Based on that, we are comparing, right? Got it? Yes. In the same sense, I am giving an example here, 10 less than 20, whether a condition is true or false. 10 less than 20, true. 20 greater less than 10, false. Got it? In the same sense, what are the operators we are using in the relational operations? We are using double equal to. Double equal to means we will compare two statements. For example, A is equal to 10, B is equal to 10, A equal to 10. Whether the condition is true, A equal to B. A value 10, B value 10. Then what is it is true. Okay, it returns true if both the values are equal. Otherwise, it will returns false. For example, A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20. 10 equal to 20, false. Got it? A is not equal to B, not equal. This is called as not equal. Let us assume 10 is not, A's value is 10, B value is 20. 10 is not equal to 20. Condition is true? Yes, true. Got it? Suppose 20 and 10. 20. Let us see. A value is 20, B value is 20. 20 is not equal to 20. Condition false. Got it? Yes. Now greater than. Let us see. A value 10, B value 10. B value 20. 10 greater than 20, false. Got it? For example, A value is 20, B value is 10, then it is true. Got it? In the same sense, less than. A less than B, condition true. If A is greater than B, condition false. Okay? Greater than or equal to. For example, 1 greater than or equal to 1, condition true. Okay? Got it? For example, 10 greater than or equal to 10, condition true. 10 greater than or equal to 11, condition false. Clear? Yes. For example, less than or equal to 1 less than or equal to 1, condition true. 1 less than or equal to 10, condition true. 1 minus 1 100 less than or equal to 10, condition false. Here 100 is A, 100 is B, 100 is A, 10 is B. Got it? So likewise we are comparing. Here one example is given, please go through it. Here I am given A is equal to 31, B is equal to 22, C is equal to 31. Now what I am doing here, I am first displaying the ABC value. What is the A value? 31. What is the B value? So what is the mistake here? Let anybody tell? Yes, because it is an integer variable, Here we have not mentioned. In my book, some of our errors are placed to identify the errors. Now what we have to do? Percentage D. Okay. Here percentage D. If you don't give, it will give a garbage value. Garbage value already you have seen, right? Percentage D. Got it? So what is the A value? 31. What is the B value? 22. What is the C value? 31. Now in printf statement only I am comparing and displaying the result. Okay. Now I am displaying the output statement A greater than B within a double quotation comma. Now I am writing the condition A greater than B. 31 greater than 22. What is the output? True. True means it will return 1. Got it? Printf C greater than or equal to A. I am processing that. What is the value of C? 31. 31 greater than or equal to 31. Condition true. Then what it will returns? True. So output is 1. Okay. And B less than or equal to C. Percentage D. I am pressing here B less than or equal to C. What is the B value? 22. 22 less than or equal to C, 31. Condition true. Condition true means what it will returns? 1. Okay. B less than or equal to C equal to 1. Got it? Likewise it will display. Okay. Now A less than or equal to B. What is A less than? A is 31, B is 22. 31 less than 22, condition false. So automatically it will returns 0. Okay. It will be displayed as it is. A less than or equal to B equal to will be displayed, but the result we are getting as 0. Okay. C equal to A. 31 equal to 31. And if condition is true, then it will returns 1. Okay. And the printf B is not equal to C. In B 22, C 31. 22 is not equal to 31. Condition is true, then it will returns 1. Got it? So likewise this relational operator will execute. Now we are moving to the logical operator. Okay. Let me check once again whether this program, let me to copy this program also. Let me copy this much only. Okay. Control C, open my notepad. We will see these are two programs. If it is executes, then fine. Okay. Yes, I'm pasting. I don't want to display this result. It consists of some errors. I'm explaining you this consists of errors. I know what is an error. It is the double quotation errors. Okay. This double quotation should be appear, must be like this. I'm modifying this. Otherwise I will get an error. Okay. Let it be. We will correct in our editor. Where to save this? If you are typing in the notepad, where to save? In C drive. In my computer, C drive is exist. In C drive, we have to open the Turbo C4. In the Turbo C4, TC folder is exist. In that bin folder is exist. Now we have to give relation dot C. Okay. So it consists of an error. Okay. Don't accept to run properly. I will rectify. Now let us open once again our editor. We will focus on only the editor. Let me to show these two programs. Okay. Yes. Once if it is open, I will explain those two programs. Clear? Yes, it is open now. Right? Okay, whenever I am opening, all my previous programs are showing, right? For this, what I have to do is go to the window tab and click close all. Now go to the file, open. What is my first file program name? Yes, anybody? Days. DAYS dot. In this program which we have not explained, already explained. Let me so let me save this file. Copying, Control C, copying. Let me open notepad. Okay, let me open it with notepad. For this I'm typing run start. I'm taking run notepad. I'm pressing, I'm pasting. So this is our first program related to simple arithmetic program for finding days and months. Days and months. I will take here. It is a multi-line comment. Okay. It is always better to use multi-line comment rather than the single line comment. And using or using div and modulo operator. Okay, slash s. So hash include stdio.h. It is we have to write afterwards. I'm taking hash include conio.h. As you know why we have to write. Main function is also we have to define it with void. If you use void, it will avoid returning value. So this is my program. If I enter n days, I have to calculate number of months and number of days in that n days. After declaring the variable, we have to use clear screen. Okay. Next, we have to make divided by 30. See, while copying and pasting, it may exist some error. So removing this, I don't guarantee this whether it will execute or not. Maybe it exists some errors. Let me rectify it. Okay, once you typed your program, go to save. While saving, you have to choose C drive. In your C drive, turbo C4 or TC folder is exist. You double click it, and in this TC folder is exist. In this bin folder is exist. In this we have to save it as a days.c. Okay, I'm saving now. If already exists, let it be replaced. Now I am opening this editor. Okay, yes, it is opening. Once it is opened, let me see. Okay, I'm opening my file. What is the name of the file? Days.c. Yes, this is my program, right? Now you're seeing this is a printf function, this is a scanf function. Then what is the purpose of a scanf? To read values from the keyboard and store in variable. Okay, yes, that's it. Okay, so that is the syntax. For explanation, I just made it. Okay, so please observe here months. If I enter a n number of days, for example 365 days, I have to calculate what I have to calculate, how many months exist in this 365. Then how to calculate months is equal to n is the number of days by 30. How many days will exist for a month? 30. 30, 31 and 28, but we will take for every month it has having 30 days. Okay, in the days after the months we have to calculate the rest of days. We calculate the rest of days is take n percental 30. Next, you are using this printf function to display months equal to percent 3 Days is equal to percent D, that is number of months and number of days. Okay. Once you type, what you have to do, you have to save it. Save by pressing the function key 2. I'll just go to the 5 and save it. Now Alt F9. I'm checking whether it is existing error or not. I do not have any error. I'm running once again. Control F9. Control F9 is for running. I want to calculate in 365 days how many months and how many days exist. 12 months of 30 days. I'm taking the test. In the month of February, it is 28, right? Based on that, 12 months, 5 days exist. Got it? So this is your first program. And the second program already we have done. That is, let me check. If I press F6, it will show previous program. It is assignment operator. Right. So in the assignment operator, you are taking, please over here, it is actually a program, right? I'm saving. Assignment operator. Assignment operator is assigned to assign some values to a, right? A plus equal to x means a is equal to a plus x. Then what is the value of a? 10. What is the value of x? 50. 10 plus 50, 60. So after processing that, I'm displaying. Right? If I display it, I will get 6. Now b is equal to x. Then what does it mean? B is equal to b minus x. Then b's value is 20, x value is 50. 20 minus 50, I'm getting minus 30. To display that, I'm using the printf function. Okay. And c into equal to x means c is equal to c into x. What is the value? 30. And what is the x value? 50. 30 into 50, 50, 1500, right? So that is b 500. Equal to x value 40. What is x value? 50. In general mathematics, 40 by 50 is possible, but in case of C programming, we have to check if numerator value is less than the denominator value. In the division operator, it will return 0. What it will return? 0. Okay, let me check. That's it, program. Now, it. Okay, Alt F9, Control F9. Once you run, you will see the result, right? So here once again I'm checking the same program for D personal. Personal means model operator. For example, if you are doing the division operator, then what happens? If the numerator value is less than the denominator value means when we write D by X, D become the numerator and X become the denominator. D by X, if D value is less than the X value, then it returns 0. Suppose if I take model operator, here if numerator value is less than the denominator value, then it will take it as a numerator value. Okay, modifying this program to understand this, it will print the value. Why? Because numerator value is less than the denominator value, it is not possible. Okay, now I'm saving, compiling. How to compile? F9, outrun, control F9. Yes, you observe here, you are getting 40, right? So how it does that? Based on that. Now, our next concept of a program is relational operator. Already stored and opening. You are already typed, you can open. Okay, I opened it. Now you are typed and you are the values. Now you are displaying the values a value, b value, and c value, and you are displaying the a, b, c value. Afterwards, you are in output. We are processing and displaying. While displaying, you are processing the statement and displaying the output. Okay. For example, a greater than b equal to percently and direct calculating that value. What is a greater than b? 31 greater than 22. The condition is true or false? True. So if it is true, then what it will return? It will return 1. Likewise, this statement is executed. Clear? Yes. After typing that, you just save it, compile it, and run it. If you run, you will get the result as like this. You just go through here. A is equal to 31, B is equal to 22, C is equal to 31. 31 greater than 22. The condition is true or false? True. So directly you are getting result as 1. C greater than or equal to A. What is the C value? 31. A value is 31. 31 greater than or equal to 31. Condition true. 22 less than or equal to C. Then what is the result? Condition is false. Sorry, true. 22 is less than or equal to 31. Condition is true, right? Then it is written 1. A less than or equal to B. 31 less than or equal to 22. False. C equal to A. In C 31 exists. In A 31 is exist. 31 equal to 31. Condition is true. True. So hence it is written in 1. B is not equal to C. In B 22 is there. 22 is not equal to 31. Whether condition is true or false? True. Hence it returns 1. Clear? Yes. So likewise, you can explain all this program. Hope you have understood this concept. We will meet you with some other programs. Okay. See you in the next class.